Welcome to the Florida Integrative Health Patient Orientation process. First thing we're going to discuss is how to access our website. To visit our website, go to www.flcih.com. Now to log in as a member, click the Login tab and provide your username and password. Now your username is your email address and your temporary password is 12345, and of course we want you to personalize that once you log in immediately by re-entering your email address and selecting Reset Password. Now this is where you log in simply by clicking the Login Register button, and you could enter your email address and password right here at this location. Now once you log in, you'll have an access bar that opens up and it says My Account. Now in there you'll have multiple pages that you can access. Now the first thing we want you to access is the research information. This is very important. Our goal is to empower and educate our patients. Now as a patient, you have access to our research index library on our website. To search this resource, you could either once again log into your member section and select the research index, or click the research index link at the bottom of our website. Either way, you would be required to enter your username and password and enter the research index accordingly. Now, once you access the research index, you'll be able to see the 750-page chart that has the links to just about every major study related to medical cannabis and its application for human disease, pain, injury, or deformity. And as you can see here, we have access to the head and neck versions of cancer, which obviously there's numerous studies published, as you can see, by the National Institute of Health on that subject. So we encourage everybody to empower themselves and get involved with the research side of things. Now, to order medication, what you would simply do is once again go to My Account and select the medication request. Now once you do that, you're going to have to agree to a disclaimer stating that all online medication orders will be reviewed and ordered by your physician as part of your treatment plan. And you're understanding that this is not an online pharmacy, this is simply a request for medication from your physician. Now once you access that, you'll be able to see the numerous different products that we have available. Now we're not going to get into discussing all of these products here, but as you can see there are vaporizers, capsules, tinctures, oils, cannabis cigarettes available, and there are some numerous other options as well, as such as topical applications, transdermal applications, and such. So once you are a patient of Florida Integrative Health, this is where you would go ahead and select the medication that you can order right from your home. And once you request that, the doctor can go ahead and fill that prescription for you and have it delivered right to your home. Now, the next step is your electronic health records. It's very important that you have access to your records and that you follow your treatment plan accordingly, and that treatment plan is found in the electronic health records section under My Account. Now, simply click on the electronic health records. Now, as you can see, to access your health records, you must accept once again the disclaimer that states that you are using a protected industry standard security system and that all of your information is secure. And however, we are not responsible for the information since it is a third-party site that is hosting the information. Now this site is a well-recognized electronic health record system called Patient Fusion, and we do highly recommend it, but once again, we cannot be held liable for any incidental issues or HIPAA violations once you access that system. So once you click on that disclaimer, you'll be required to log in by entering your username and password into your Patient Fusion login here. Now, your username and password will be emailed to you once you see the physician, and once again, as you log in, you'll be able to access your treatment plan and access your follow-up appointments and so on and so on. Now, the next thing that we want to discuss is the medication survey. This is extremely important for all patients to be able to provide us the feedback that's required to make sure that the doctor is providing this medication in accordance with the standards of practice. So once a month, we do recommend that you participate in our medical cannabis survey. Now, this survey is very simple. The only thing that is required is simply providing us information on a scale of 1 to 10 about the effectiveness or your perceived effectiveness of the medication, such as anxiety, appetite, these types of conditions or these types of symptoms. We want to know what the effectiveness is. Our goal is to make sure that you are maximizing the benefits of this medication. And if you're not, the physician really wants to help you dial in this medication to make sure that you are receiving the maximum benefit. And last but not least, we do want to discuss the Refer a Friend program. If you are happy with our services and you believe that you want to spread the word, you can do that. And of course, a successful practice doesn't just happen. So this is a result of a very strong commitment to excellence in medical care and our relationships with the patients and other doctors. So we do want to thank you for showing your confidence in Florida Integrative Health by recommending us to your friends, family, and colleagues. And we're gratified to find how many new patients regularly call us based on your words of advice. So each time you refer a patient who would utilize our services, you will receive a $50 credit to your account for any future related services. It's that simple. Now, to ensure that you do receive credit, we do want to make sure that you use the Refer a Friend portal here, and by completing the information and making sure that we have it on file so that we can credit your account accordingly. And I guess this would be the last thing we're going to talk about here, and that is the mobile app that we have available. It's currently available in the Google Play Store, and it will be soon available in the iTunes Store. This mobile app allows you to do everything that we just discussed, but right through your mobile phone or tablet, including ordering medication, providing the information for the surveys, referring friends or loved ones to us, creating your follow-up visits, accessing your medical records, and more. This is very similar to how you would work with our website, with the exception of the fact that it's just one click away on your mobile device. So once again, you can download this app in the Google Play Store for your Android, and in the near future we'll be able to do so on your Apple device using the iTunes Store, and you'll be able to access all of that information. So that wraps it up here, and if you do have any questions, you can feel free to give us a call at 904-779-3901, or you could speak with the physician at any time or any staff member, and we would be glad to help you out. And thank you very much, and thank you for choosing Florida Integrative Health.